Hey, what's up YouTube? The Card Kid 3511 here. Just making this video to show you guys my one box of 2010 Elite. 5 cards per pack, 20 packs, 100 cards. So hopefully we get a hot box or maybe some Brian Holiday autographs. So I'm just going to move this box to the side and we'll get busted. Sliced it open. Oop. Maybe some Jesse Biddle would be nice too for the Phillies PC. Take out all the packs. And there's the checklist. Maybe hopefully we don't get any redemptions, but if we do, have that in handy. So the card designs this year are pretty nice. Hunter Morris. Then we got Josh Rutledge, school colors, not numbered. This is my first box of this, so I'm not really sure like what all the inserts and stuff are. Okay, we got a Nico Goodrum autograph, red status out of 50. It's a pretty nice low numbered autograph. Nice to get an auto early, hoping for a hot box. Cash, Bridwell, Brandon Workman out of 100. Looks red status again. Not autographed, just a parallel. Drew Smiley, Justin Profar, Brian Morgado, Matt Moore, Jordan Swaggerty. This is the guy that everybody says has Magic Johnson's autograph on his cards, but I don't know. I'm not an expert on Magic Johnson's autograph, so I don't know about that. There's a thick card in here, but I think it's just a decoy. We got a Ben Gamel autograph out of 801. Not sure. He's on the Yankees. Yeah, and decoy. Micah Gibbs card's pretty nice. Aviles, Jackson, Galvez, Rosin, Garmin. Base. Another thick pack here. Probably just another decoy. Tyler Austin, Pat Dean, Chad Bettis, decoy. Kevin Munson, AJ Griffin. Gary Sanchez, Zach Gates, Brian Holiday, on card auto, sweet. I've been wanting one of these. Out of 500, so that's going probably to the PC. Awesome. Probably gonna have a PC of him, so if you have any of this stuff, let me know. Cito Colbert, extra edition, Elite Series, parallel thingamajig. Not sure. So 3 autos so far. Hopefully we get some more. Rick Haig, out of 200 aspirations. College ties, Chad Bettis, Bobby Doran duel. Nothing, just base. Another thick pack here. Chavez Clark out of 200 aspirations and a decoy. Be cool to get one of those collegiate patch autos. Michael Choice, parallel. We got a Nick Tepesh, another red status auto out of 50. So that makes 2 for this box, pretty nice. Base. I think we have one more autograph left. Oh, sweet. Micah Gibbs out of 390. That's a pretty sweet auto right there. I have no idea what these cards sell for, but, I mean, Micah Gibbs is a good catcher. Brian Holiday is a good catcher. Sam Dyson. Insert school colors. We got a Brett Eibner out of 545. Watched him last year in the College World Series. Looks pretty good. One more pack. Thick pack. And let's see. Just base and a decoy. So I'll recap the hits here for you guys. Or I'll go through the school, like the numbered stuff and inserts. Josh Rutledge, die cut, school colors. Sam Dyson, school colors, die cut. We got this college ties. Chad Bettis, Bobby Doran. Dual. 2 Elite Series cards of Michael Choice and Cito Culver. 2 blue aspirations out of 200 of Chavez Clark and Rick Hague. And a branded Workman out of 100, red. And then for the autographs, we have Brett Eibner out of 545. Micah Gibbs out of 390. Nick Tepesh out of 50, die cut. Brian Holiday out of 500, sweet card. Ben Gamel out of 801. And another red status, Nico Goodman. So, pretty sweet box. If you want any of these cards, let me know, except for the Brian Holiday. I think I'm going to hang on to that. Maybe the Micah Gibbs I might keep. But the base, the inserts, whatever you want, maybe, is available. So just hit me up. Peace.